If you're experiencing issues with voice chat in Call of Duty and want to disable it, follow these steps to ensure a smoother gaming experience. Step 1. Access the game menu. Open Call of Duty and navigate to the main menu. From here, look for the settings option, usually represented by gear icon. Step 2. Go to audio settings. In the settings menu, find and select the audio tab. This section contains all the audio-related options, including voice chat settings. Step 3. Locate voice chat options. Scroll through the audio settings until you find the voice chat options. This may include settings like voice chat volume, or push to talk. Step 4. Disable voice chat. Once you locate the voice chat settings, toggle the option to disable voice chat. This may involve setting the voice chat volume to 0 or turning off the voice chat feature entirely. Step 5. Save changes and exits. After disabling voice chat, make sure to save your changes before exiting the settings menu. This ensures that your preferences are applied the next time you play. By following these steps, you can effectively disable voice chat in Call of Duty and enjoy your gaming sessions without interruptions.